Alright guys, good afternoon. I'm sorry if I'm a little blown out right now. It is so sunny out, but it's a perfect day to debadge the trunk of the car. Because if you guys know, I live in an apartment and we don't have access to like a plug-in to use a heat gun to heat it up. So it's a perfect weather to debadge the back of the car. We're gonna take off the A6 and then the 3.0 Quattro, and then we're gonna take off the Audi emblem and we're gonna replace the chrome one with this one, nice black one. I'll leave the link for this if you guys want to get one of these in the description down below. You guys could check it out. But yeah, simple process. We're gonna take some fishing line, get everything off, wipe off all the goo, buff it all out so there's no shadowing, and it should come out sick. So we're gonna get into that right now. We're gonna take this off, 3.0. We're gonna take this A6 off, and we're gonna replace this with the black one I just showed you guys. So that's the plan for today. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is just some fishing line that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna cut a nice piece, and this is so that we could pretty much sear the back of the emblem right off the car. And let's do that now. I'm gonna go nice and easy. Loosen up all that stuff. There you go. 3.0T. Alright, so the 3.0T is off. We're gonna do it one at a time. We'll do the A6 in a minute. We're gonna spray some glue gun on here to kind of soak it up, get all this adhesive off. And then it should be able to wipe off. We'll just keep repeating until the adhesive's off. And then once all the adhesive's off, we're going to buff it out so there's no shadowing. So that's pretty much the plan. Let's put this down here. Alright, so pretty much, can you guys see this? Can I see this? Okay, yeah, so pretty much once the emblem's removed, you're gonna have all this sticky stuff. Sorry, I'm sweating, I probably look disgusting. But you're gonna have all this sticky stuff off. So just let like your Goo Gone. I got Goo Gone Automotive right here. So it's safe on your paint. Other things will tell you to use other things. I don't really like using like other products, I don't know. So just let the Goo Gone soak a little bit, then take a microfiber and be a little aggressive, and you'll start to get all this sticky adhesive off. And that's pretty much the goal, is to remove all this, and then we'll deal with the shadowing outline later. Alright guys, what's up? I did this on the Subaru Legacy a long time ago, and the shadowing wasn't this bad on the Legacy. Pretty sure this is all shadowing though. Doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. I think I got all the adhesive off. So now we're gonna try to buff it off, and that should essentially work. For anyone who thinks I am any sort of professional when it comes to cars, you are completely wrong. I never have any idea what I'm doing. I just look it up and dive in. So we're going to try to buff this out and go from there. And then I want to do these two lower ones first, and then we'll deal with the emblem after. Because I want to tape it off, this way all the measurements are right, and then buff all that out. Also, the shadowing for this shouldn't be that bad, because we could put the emblem right over that, and that'll solve that problem. So let's try to buff this out now. A little elbow grease. Alright, so that's it. Little elbow grease, a little spray wax. I used Chemical Guy spray wax. Worked great. Some people say that you need like the Canuba, whatever, but this says it's Canuba wax. Should be fine. And as you can see, all the shadowing is gone. And that's it. Now we're gonna do the other side, and then we'll do the Audi symbol. I'm tired. It says like, oh, you need a drill, and you get that eraser wheel and buff it out with a drill. You don't need it for something like this. You just, boom, little elbow grease, some products, and you're good to go. This probably cost me about, I don't know, with the emblem and everything, probably like 30 bucks, so works out. Sick. Alright, let's do the other one. Alright, so here is what's left after you remove all the adhesive. They call this shadowing. So once you remove your badge, this is what's left over, and pretty much all you do is buff this out with some wax, some simple wax. And pretty much it'll look like this. So here there's nothing left. We put a little wax, wiped it down, buffed it out, you know, put the wet side, flip it over, use the dry side, buff it out, nice and nice. And now you have a nice clean rear end. Just gonna buff this one out. And then yeah, it's gonna look nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, everything is buffed out, very nice. There's no more shadowing, no more badge. You get all the way up close. Everything is gone, nicey nice. That's it. Here's the rear end now, looking clean, so much cleaner. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace this chrome badge, and the first thing we're gonna do is actually tape it off. You'll see I'm gonna tape it off with painter's tape so that we know exactly where this sits. We're gonna repeat the same process, get off all the adhesive, get everything off, and then when we put the new black badge on, it will be, you know, lined up with the tape, and this way you know exactly where it's gonna go. So we're gonna start diving into that now. Now we know exactly when we take this off, where to put the new badge. I'm gonna leave some shadowing in there. I'm gonna buff it a little bit, but I'm gonna leave some shadowing. This way we kind of have like a guide of where that would go, but essentially this helps you line it up. Now we repeat the process. Step 1, fishing wire. Step 2, cut the fishing wire. Step 3, elbow grease. Alright. So, emblem's off. It's a lot stickier than the other emblems. The actual Audi badge has way more adhesive. So what I did was, or my girlfriend's idea was to spray the Goo Gone on, which worked good, and let it soak a little bit, and then use the fishing line to get in there. It broke a few of them, but it worked out fine. So now we have the adhesive still on there. We're gonna do the same process, spray the Goo Gone, get all the adhesive off, and then we're gonna buff it after that to get the shadowing. Your car to look so cool. It's so fun. You can make YouTube videos of you just badging your car, you know? That's a good idea. Nah, you don't need a drill, man. It's fine. Nah, it should only take you like 20 minutes, dude. That'll be good. Sick, bro. Do it on the hottest day of spring. No, yeah, for sure. Needs to heat up the emblems, you know? It's totally fine.
Literally 60 degrees all the time. Then 90 degrees, let's go work on the car.
90 degrees. I don't have to work on the car. Let's go work out in the morning, too. Let's do a full-blown workout. Summer's coming, you know? Sick. Alright, so once again, all the adhesive is off. You can kind of see all that shadowing. I think you can see it. I think the camera's picking it up. You can see all the shadowing. What I'm gonna do is kind of buff out pretty much from here to here so that I can leave this shadow right here on these two sides so that when we put the black one on, I kind of have an alignment of where it goes. The tape will help me align it too, but that'll just help me better put it center. Hi. Hi. I did the same process we did down here, but with the shadowing, I left a little bit over here, like this whole half moon circle of the Audi logo, and this half moon circle of the Audi logo, so that when we put this guy on, I can pick it up, when we put this guy on, it's easier to align now. This side, this side, this side, this side, nice and straight, bada bing, bada boom, black. And we're gonna flip this over right now. Gonna let this kind of sit in the sun to heat up a little bit. So the adhesive gets nice and sticky. That's it, guys. Dying. Now we shall put on the old black emblem. And I honestly don't think it matters which way you put it on. Right? I mean, right? Looks so good.
So good.
Oh, hell yeah. That looks great. Once you follow all these steps, you should end up with a rear end that looks like this. Looks so clean now with the black. No badges. That's nice. Nice and clean. Perfectly aligned and centered. Nice. That's it for this video. Car looks awesome. Very excited. I will leave all the information of everything you need if you want to try this at home down below. You guys can click the links. Get everything I used, you could use, and it should work out fine. Very happy with the way it came out. It was sick, super hot. I'm tired, I'm gross. But yeah. Do you want to say anything to the camera?
You did a great job.
Thanks, babe. I did a great job. Anyways, so as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you got any questions, leave a comment. I will see you guys in the next one.